For decades, Microsoft Excel has been the undisputed king of spreadsheets. It is a powerful tool used by millions every single day to manage everything from simple household budgets to complex corporate financial models. However, with great power comes great complexity. Many users, perhaps even you, have felt that familiar wave of frustration when staring at a wall of data. The learning curve for Excel can be incredibly steep, making many of its most powerful features feel out of reach. One of the biggest hurdles is mastering formulas and functions. Remembering the exact syntax for a VLO, OK, UP, figuring out how to nest multiple IF statements, or trying to build a dynamic pivot table from scratch. It often leads to endless searching on Google and watching tutorial after tutorial. You might spend hours trying to perfect a single formula only to be met with cryptic errors like hash and slash AO hash VA, LUE. Beyond formulas, repetitive manual tasks, cleaning messy data, correcting capitalization, standardizing dates, eat away at our time. These tasks are tedious, error prone, and frankly, quite boring for most of us. This constant struggle creates a significant barrier, preventing many users from tapping into the true potential of their data. Instead of uncovering valuable insights, people get bogged down in the technical details. A revolutionary solution is overdue. Imagine having a brilliant Excel expert sitting right next to you, ready to help at a moment's notice. That is the essence of Microsoft Copilot in Excel, an AI-powered assistant integrated directly into the spreadsheet you already use. Copilot functions like a conversational chat assistant, but one deeply connected to your spreadsheet data. You can ask questions in simple, everyday language. No need to memorize formulas. Copilot analyzes your data, understands your intent, and often provides the exact formula or result it used to get there. Let's walk through a real example. Imagine you're a sales manager with a massive spreadsheet of raw sales data for the year. The sheet includes columns like product name, sales representative, region, units sold, and revenue. Your boss wants a quick summary of top products and a regional sales breakdown for a meeting in less than an hour. With Copilot, your approach is entirely different. Open the Copilot pane and type a plain language request. Type, highlight the top 10 rows based on the revenue column in green. Instantly, Copilot analyzes the data and applies conditional formatting. The highest revenue rows turn green. Next, ask, create a pivot table on a new sheet that summarizes total revenue by region. Copilot builds the pivot table in a flash, perfectly structured and ready to analyze. Then say, now create a bar chart from this pivot table titled Total Revenue by Region. Copilot immediately generates a professional chart ready for your presentation. In minutes, using plain English, you've identified top sales, summarized complex data, and created a compelling visualization. Copilot also shows the steps and formulas it used, acting not only as a doer but as a teacher. That transparency helps you learn next time you might try it yourself. What was once a stressful task becomes a smooth, efficient workflow. One of Copilot's most celebrated features is its ability to simplify formula creation. Describe the outcome you want in plain English and Copilot generates the correct formula and explains how it works. Automation of repetitive tasks is a game changer, removing duplicates, standardizing formats, splitting columns. Just instruct Copilot, remove duplicates based on email, or format the date column to mm/dd/yy, and it runs across the dataset instantly. Copilot also provides intelligent suggestions, like spotting correlations or highlighting outliers. It's like having a data analyst looking over your shoulder, pointing out trends you might have missed. For beginners, Copilot is a gentle teacher. For experts, it's a productivity accelerator that can generate macros or boilerplate code. By revealing steps, Copilot helps users learn by example and become more confident. Copilot dismantles the barrier that kept advanced analysis to specialists, making powerful capabilities accessible to everyone. The time saved can be reinvested into interpreting data, brainstorming strategies, and collaborating. Copilot provides a safety net, previews and undo suggestions, so users feel safe experimenting. This builds confidence and cultivates a culture where data-driven decisions become the norm. Microsoft Copilot in Excel simplifies formulas, automates tedious work, and provides intelligent guidance, making Excel easier, faster, and more powerful. It's the beginning of a new chapter, turning complexity into clarity and opportunity.